Good morning. My name is Eric Quinn. Here we are located in Valdivia, Chile, South America, headquarters for Forestal del Pacifico, representative of Wood-Mizer Products. Valdivia is a town of 120,000 people. It's a university town. We're located 6 miles from the Pacific Ocean on the Rio San Pedro, and we're in the heart of the pine and eucalyptus plantations. Please join me. Let's take a tour of the facility. Forestal del Pacifico was started in 1992. I traveled to FISA, an international trade show in Santiago, and met Don Laskowski. 6 months later, we were selling Wood-Mizer products out of Valdivia. This is our new facility. Last year we upgraded, got corporate colors, and this is our sales area. I have 2 salesmen here, Mario, Fabian. 30% of our business walks in off the street, 70% of our business comes in online. As a complementary business, we added a number of years ago a small mom and pop hardware store. We bring in products from the United States like Portacool, other machinery, generators, hand tools like Makita, Bosch, woodworking equipment, and a host of other products for all of our Wood-Mizer clients. I don't spend a lot of time in this office. Most of my time is spent outside, service work, and quoting sawmills to new clients. I'd like to take you upstairs to show you our corporate office and meet a few more people. Carol is our corporate secretary. She's worked for the company for 5 years and she wears many different hats.
Así es, Wood-Mizer.
This is Robinson Gallardo. Robinson is my Chief Financial Officer, been with the company for 24 years and is my right hand.
Mi tarea principal acá en la empresa es ver los números. O sea, yo entré como contador, pero en realidad me gustó el tema de los aserraderos, las máquinas, un poco los fierros, y en realidad yo siempre ayudando, ¿no es cierto?, en lo que es también la parte técnica y servicio, y uno trata de ver toda la empresa.
Mary is Robinson's personal secretary. Mary works with quotations and any other financial work that the company's involved in. Let's go down and see the blade room. One of the most interesting aspects of being a Wood-Mizer dealer here in Chile is bandsaw blade sales. Up until about 10 years ago, we bought everything pre-made from the United States. Today we buy 500-foot coils, cut them to any length for all our customers. We weld the band, grind the band down, put it in our box, and ship it direct to the customers. One of our best distributors is in Los Angeles, Chile, Hernan Fuentes, about 500 kilometers south of the capital city of Santiago.
Como distribuidor y representante del producto Wood-Mizer, nuestra principal labor es entregar los productos que los clientes nos están requiriendo y a su vez entregar una asesoría del uso adecuado de estos elementos, así como también la calibración y mantención de las máquinas en las cuales se usan. Cuando llegamos a la zona, los aserraderos tenían graves problemas de corte, no lograban tener una buena estabilidad de corte. Hicimos las asesorías respectivas, presentamos la wincha Wood-Mizer, hicimos pruebas, logramos mantener tensiones de montaje adecuadas, calibración de máquina y a su vez con la calidad que tiene Wood-Mizer en cuanto a sus winchas, con el modelo Silver Steel, logramos abarcar el mercado prácticamente en su totalidad. Hoy día, Los Ángeles trabaja prácticamente solamente con Wood-Mizer.
So there you have Forestal del Pacifico, Wood-Mizer's representative in Chile. Come visit us for all your sawmill needs. Adios.
Adiós.